Welcome to the Cruising Map and Itinerary video. Let's get started by creating the cruising map. From the Charter Programs page, click this icon to open the Related Charter Programs cruising map. To add locations into the cruising map, click the To field, then either add the location by typing the location name and selecting it from the list, or select the location directly from the map by clicking a location marker. Once selected, the route between the locations will be automatically drawn for you. If the route is not perfect, click this button to edit the route or the locations. In the Draw Route window, use this button to delete a waypoint by clicking on the dot, or use this button to edit a waypoint by clicking on the dot and dragging it to a new position. You can also use drag and drop to move the location marker to your specific berth or anchorage position. When Save is clicked, the new route is automatically drawn, and the distance, duration, and fuel are updated accordingly. To add a new location, click this button. Then, zoom in on the map and click the new location's position. Add the location's name and country and click Save. You can then add the new location into the itinerary by placing your cursor into the respective location field, then click on the location marker in the map. Once selected, the route between the locations will be automatically drawn for you. To create the daily itinerary, click this button. To add the image of the location, either drag and drop your image here, or click this icon to select from the location images. In this window, either select from the Saved Images carousel, or search and select a new image. Once selected, the image will be added to the record, and the description will be automatically generated using artificial intelligence. If you want to save the location description for future use, move the slider to Yes. If you would like to regenerate the description, click this button. To display a saved description for this location, toggle this button to use either our description, your description, or this charter's description. Please note that the displayed description will be used for this itinerary. Next, we will add the day's activities by clicking this button. First, select the time that the activity is scheduled for, then either add the activity's name into this field, or click this icon to search for activities in this location. From the Nearby search window, click one of these buttons to display the list, then click the image icon. Choose the image from the carousel, then click the Add button here to add the activity's name and image to the activities record of the itinerary. The description of the activity is automatically written using our built-in artificial intelligence. You can edit the description if needed, and to save the description for future use, move the slider to Yes. If you would like the AI to rewrite the description, click this button. If the slider is Yes, then select the type of activity for future use. Please note that the activities you assign to services will be available in the Activities field drop-down list for all locations. If the activity is not services, then the saved activity will only display for the location that you add it to. To add another activity for the day, click the Add Activity button and repeat the process. To change the order of the activities, click this icon and drag and drop the row into its new position. Clicking the Guest View button will show you how this itinerary will display for the guests. Once finished, click Save and continue to create the next location's itinerary. At any point, you can click here to save your work to return later. To edit the details of the charter program, click this icon. Once the changes are made, click Save. To copy a previously created route, click this button. Then select from the list and click Copy. The full cruising map and itinerary, along with all descriptions and images, will be copied to the current charter program. The Cruising Schedule button shows you how this will be presented to the guests. Toggling the Show Details button hides and shows the location cards on the map. The Weather map shows the current weather. And the Guest News button provides you with the means to send morning messages or updates to the schedule to the guests. If you have any questions, please contact support.